Morning. I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? I'm from Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Okay, what do you do? Are you a student or working? Okay, which department have you completed your graduation? Technical, non-technical? Okay, then do you wanna join in government department, private department or IT department? What's your motto? Okay, have you appeared interview ever or you are preparing your pardon? Okay, are you a okay? I got your point. You haven't attended any type of interview in IT department. Right now, you are preparing how to appear interview, right? Then okay, are you a self learner or have you joined any coaching center to how to appear interview and how to crack exam? Okay. Mm-hmm. Then what type of gadgeted do you take help how to appear interview like a YouTube, Google, or what's your activity? Okay. Mhm. Okay, I got your point. You want to enhance your English speaking. That's why you are using this platform. You are a language learner, right? I am also language learner. I want to speak better English because we are Indian. We don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? That's why we people depend in this type of platform. Right now, I don't know your language, native language. You don't know my native language. Still, we are communicating each other through English. Then, what type of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? What type of activities? Hello. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. You only just interact with your friend in English, right? Okay, then do you watch any YouTube video? Do you follow any YouTuber? Do means how to speak better English, or do you take help from Google or what else? How to enhance your vocabulary? How to enhance your writing speak? Do you do or you don't do anything? Only you just listening and speaking. Okay, you just want to interact with your friend and you listen and you speak with them, right? Okay. I do regularly LSRW, reading, writing, listening, and speaking because I'm a language learner. And language always takes four skills LSRW. Then I do regularly, and because I want to enhance my writing skill, I want to enhance my reading skill, I want to enhance my listening skill, I want to enhance my speaking skill. all are interconnection each other, then I try to do regularly. And sometime I watch YouTube video, good YouTuber. Pardon, could you repeat? Okay, tell me. Could you repeat once again? Of course, definitely. Why not? Yeah, you call me elder sister because right now you are preparing a interview, right? And you have completed your education and you are a job seeker, right? If you have a good knowledge about language and if you have a knowledge about English, then you can crack. Okay, then right now, okay, you tell me right now you are preparing. Apart from your preparation, what do you do? What do you do? Only just you preparing for job? Okay, you are studying also data entry course, right? Okay, data analysis course, right? Then, okay, how much time does that course take? Okay, are you doing internship also, right? And that course take 6 months. Wow. How many days have you completed your internship? Internship around 1 year. One, pardon? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, I got your point. You are doing your data means analytic course, and that course takes 3 months. And right now you have completed your 3 months. Right now you are doing internship during that course, right? Yeah, right now you are practically you okay, 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 that's good. And how long have you been using this platform? How many languages do you know? Anything, anything, because we are Indian, then India is a languages country, right? All state have different languages. People they want to learn and speak all type of languages. Then I ask people they know 4 or 5 languages. Mhm. Which languages do you speak? Okay, you know Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, and English. Okay, then are you fluent in Hindi language? Okay, do you communicate with anyone in Hindi? Do you have Hindi friends? Okay, then shall I ask in Hindi, English? You reply in Hindi. Shall I ask? Okay, definitely. How are you? How are you? In Hindi, you tell me in Hindi. Hello? Ah, right, right. And did you finish your breakfast? Did you finish your breakfast? Right. Right.